Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. So what we can do is to express this 5 here as summation of 4 and 1. So we have 16 power 4 plus 1 minus 16 power 4. Now if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a to the power of n. So we apply this right here. I'll have 16 to the power of 4 times 16 to the power of 1 minus 16 to the power of 4. So we have 16 to the power of 4 here and 16 to the power of 4 here. So I can decide to factor that out. I have 16 to the power of 4 times the whole of this divided by 16 to the power of 4. I have 16 minus 16 to the power of 4 divided by 16 to the power of 4. I have 1. Now right here I can have 16 to the power of 4 times 16 minus 1. I have 15. So what do we do again? We need to find the value of 16 to the power of 4. 16 is a perfect square. We have 16 is the same thing as 4 power 2. And 4 itself is a perfect square, which is 2 power 2. And this is raised to the power of 2. So if you multiply the exponent, you have 2 to the power of 4. That means 16 is 2 power 4. I have 2 power 4 raised to the power of 4 times 15. Remember, a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So multiply this exponent. That is 4 times 4, that is 16. I have 2 to the power of 16 times 15. Now I can express this 16 as summation of 10 and 6. I have 2 power 10 plus 6 times 15. Now if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. I apply this right here. So what I'm going to have will be 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 6 times 15. So from here, we need to find the value of 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 is simply 2 to the power of 5 or to the power of 2. And this is just like having 32 power 2. And this is 1024. So 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. Times 2 to the power of 6 is simply 64 times 15. Now let's multiply this out. So what I can do is I can express 1024 as 1000 plus 24 times 64. So let's multiply this one first before we then multiply by 15. So I'll multiply this by this, then multiply this by this. 64 times 1000, that is 64,000, plus this is 64 times 24. So I multiply this out. 4 times 4, 16, 6 carry over 1. 4 times 6, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25. 2 times 4, I have 8. 2 times 6, I have 12. I add up this together. 6 plus 0, I have 6. 5 plus 8, I have 13. 3 carry over 1, okay. I add 5, I have 1. That's 1536. So what we are going to do will be to add 64,000 with 1536. So if you add 64,000 plus 1536, you have 65,000. Then you have 536. If you add this to this, then remember we still have 15 here. So we need to multiply this final answer by 15. We have this, then we are going to multiply it by 15. So Let's do that. We have 6, 5, 5, 36 times 15. 5 times 6, 30. We have 0 carry over 3. 5 times 3, 18 plus 3. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 8 carry over 1. 5 times 5, that is 25 plus 1, 26. 6 carry over 2. 5 times 5 again, 25 plus 2, 27. 7 carry over 2. 5 times 6, 30 plus 2. We have 32. Then we use 1 to multiply 1 times 6. We have 6, 1 times 3. Add 3, 1 times 5. Add 5, 1 times 5 again. Add 5, 1 times 6. Add 6. So let's add up together. This is 0. 8 plus 6, that is 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. This is 10. 0 carry over 1 add here. This becomes, that is 13. So you have 3 and carry over 1 add here. That is 8, and you have 9. So this becomes our answer for 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. We are having 983,040. So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and see you again.